When your SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner won't turn on, start with these essential power troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your air conditioner is properly plugged into a functioning outlet and that the outlet is switched on. Try plugging it into a different outlet to rule out any power source issues. Check the power cord carefully for any visible damage, such as cuts, exposed wires, or bent plugs. A damaged cord can prevent the unit from receiving power safely. Many SereneLife portable air conditioners have a circuit breaker built into the power cord. Look for a reset button and press it to reset the breaker if your model has one. Avoid using extension cords or power strips, as they may not provide sufficient power for the air conditioner. Always plug the unit directly into a wall outlet for optimal performance. Check your home's electrical panel for any tripped circuit breakers. A tripped breaker will be in the middle position between on and off and needs to be reset by switching it fully off, then back on. If the unit still doesn't power on, perform a complete power cycle. Turn off the unit, unplug it, and let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes to drain any residual power. Then plug it back in, potentially while pressing the power button simultaneously. These basic power troubleshooting steps will resolve most startup issues with SereneLife portable air conditioners. If the unit still won't turn on after trying all these steps, the problem may require professional attention. Water tank problems are a common cause of air conditioner malfunctions. The most frequent issue is the FL error code, which indicates your internal water vessel is completely full. When you see the FL error, immediately turn off your unit and drain it by removing the water plug. Here's what the drain plug looks like on your air conditioner. For continuous operation, connect a drain hose if your model supports it. The hose should be secured with a clamp and positioned to drain into a suitable container. Settings problems can also prevent your air conditioner from working properly. Check your timer settings first. An active timer might be automatically turning your unit off. Make sure your temperature setting is lower than the current room temperature. If the set temperature is higher than the room temperature, the unit won't activate cooling mode. Airflow problems are often caused by dirty filters or improper exhaust hose installation. Clean or replace your filters every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain proper airflow. Proper exhaust hose installation is critical for efficient operation. The hose must be correctly connected, not kinked, and as short as possible for optimal performance. Keep air outlets at least 50 centimeters away from walls or furniture to ensure proper air circulation. This prevents the unit from overworking and maintains efficient cooling performance.